I'm not ready for this.
Everyone makes the fall, Max. It's a part of life.
But what if I don't merge on the way down? You're 92.5% more likely to splatter upon impact if you fall alone. Did you know that?
Oh, you're going to give yourself another migraine.
I'm about to be flung to my death from 20,000 feet, Mum. And I was just starting to like it up here. Julie O'Neill smiled at me in church last Sunday. Did you know that? Oh God, I don't want to die.
You're not going to die, Max.
What if I land on a diseased seagull and catch bird flu? Or an old guy's flaky scalp? Or dog poop? Or... Let me go down with you!
That's not how it works, sweetie. I'll see you up here again, Max.
Mom! Mom! Mom!
Hey, watch where you're going.
Sorry, I didn't see you guys.
Whatever. Find your own group.
Okay, I'm going. Jeez. Good start, Max. How have they all merged so soon? Excuse me. Excuse me! Hi, I'm Max. I was just, well, this is my first fall, and I was wondering if I could merge with you guys.
This is a members group, pure spring water only. Are you pure spring water?
I'm clean, no bacteria, or pure H2O. My mum says we originate from a geyser in Iceland. Yeah. So, what do you say?
Iceland? Oh, that's priceless.
I knew it. Drops like me are destined to die on their first fall. I wish I was human. Humans get years to make friends. I get like 2 minutes. And for me, it's...
Who are you talking to?
Me? No one. I mean, no one. I was just,
I'm Julie.
Max.
So I see you haven't.
Merged? No. I mean, I could have. Lots of times, yeah. It's just, nothing's appealed to me yet.
This is my first fall.
Me too! This whole system's wrong, isn't it?
It's also shallow and superficial.
Exactly!
I like your glasses.
You do?
They suit you.
Thanks. I like your shine. So we're the grounds, Do you maybe want to,
Merge with you? Sure.
You do?
Did you know you're 92.5% more likely to split and die upon impact if you fall alone?
So, how long do you think we have till... What's that noise? Oh
Max!
Julie! Julie?
Max,
I thought you were dead.
look for me when we're back up there.
I will.